What's up guys, Evan McGowan from Twin Ponds Greenhouses here. We just thought of a quick creative way for you guys to get some fresh air in your house and get out of, well, okay, not really get out of your house because you have to stay in your house in order, but we have a little kit here for you guys with some succulents and some rocks and dirt that you guys can make a little something for your house and for your kids or whatever. But the idea is pretty simple. We're gonna just give you guys a kit with succulents. The succulents will differ from each container, and as will the container itself. But you guys can order through our website, and it's basically it. It's just gonna be some succulents that you guys can enjoy. Here I'm gonna just show you how to plant it. Fairly simple, but you know, each container will come with, I don't know if you can see this, maybe not, but it's a little care guide, so it'll tell you how to take care of it. Each container will come with some dirt here. Hopefully there's enough dirt, we'll find out. But with all this quarantine going on, you know, I think it's important to get creative and just get out of your comfort zone and get out of your, well, again, not your house. I want to keep saying your house, but still stay in your house and stay healthy. So get some dirt in your container. Each container will have some drainage holes you can see here. I fill it up about 3/4 of the way because the plants itself have dirt on them too. Like I said, the succulents will differ, so yours will look a little different than mine, but the idea is to, well, you don't have a planter box, but don't get all your house too messy, but we have time to clean it if it does, right? We're gonna need a little more dirt because these succulents are just new, so they don't have a lot of roots on them right now. So you can take the roots off, or the dirt off the roots, just like I'm doing here. If you guys ever have any suggestions you want us to do in this time, feel free to let us know. While just getting creative over here too. So I'm gonna take this tallest one, which would be this variety here. You could just tell by which whatever's tallest is at the time which one you get. I'm gonna throw that one right in the center. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell here, but I'm just gonna plant a little dirt, a hole here in the dirt. Just like so. You don't want to pack the dirt too tight, but you know, it's kind of up for your own imagination. We have rocks here that you're gonna get as well. You might get rocks, you might get sand. It'll be a surprise to you which one you get. But just when you're ready to place the order, you could go to our website. There will be a tab there that you may click and you can order, and it'll be curbside pickup, and we'll be here. It'll be nice to see some new faces around here. You know, don't get sick of all the same ones, but got just like that. Succulents are pretty easy. They're good for a house, inside a house, outside a home, but at this time we're thinking, you know, get a little fresh air in there. And they don't take a lot of water and not a lot of care, but they'll be easy, so enjoy your succulents. And the rocks, you may, however you want to do it. You can put them all on one side, on the other side. The rocks are just for decoration, no actual purpose real. But just, I know you can't really see here, but I'm just throwing them in here, just covering the dirt up with them. Just like that. That works. And our finished product is like that. So go onto our website and stay safe.